What's up, everyone? I'm Wendell, and I've got a fun video for you today. It will be a complete EDC setup from Walmart. We will try to stick with the $50 budget, and I think we came in at $47.71, so still a couple dollars to spare, but with tax and everything, we're right over it. But this will consist of a knife, a pen, a flashlight, wallet, multi-tool, and a key organizer. And for my carry today, we'll start with my watch, the Casio Mudmaster. I have my Concept EDC tack. This is a very nice blade. I've been enjoying it quite a bit since I got it. I also have my Olight 3, Baton 3, sorry. My pen is a Bastion bolt action. I love this pen. My multi-tool, the Next Tool Black Knight. The shears on it are well worth it. And that is everything for me. My keys are over here. I don't have anything special on them right now. But we will start with this setup that I got from Walmart. And first will be the pins. It is a Zebra 301 in black. Now these pins are a tried and true classic. They are very reliable and very smooth. We get 2 of these for about $4. Take that cap off there. This is always just a reliable pin for your EDC. Cheap and reliable. Next, we got a George leather wallet here, and this came out to $7. So for being real leather, a good color, it is not bad at all for $7. There is multiple spots for cards, 6 cards on both sides, and then cash right there in the middle. It's very small, very thin. You won't notice it's there. Now for the key organizer, they had Key Smart, they had carabiners. I got some carabiners actually, just for myself. But they had these little pull-apart organizers, and I hadn't seen them before, so I wanted to grab them and see. And I mean, they come apart very easily. Go to back together very easily. I think that if you needed a quick release and there was no magnetic options, this would definitely be a very good choice. It was $2 maybe. And next, I kind of cheaped out on the multi-tool because I wanted to play with it on the keychain. So I got just a random little Ozark Trail multi-tool. It says it's 9-in-1, but we'll see about how many of those are actually worthwhile. But I have seen this before, and it looked like a pretty fun little multi-tool. If I can get it out here. The way that it closed up and everything. And the tools pop out of the sides, like so. And it just looked fun. I mean, to have a whole multi-tool set up with screwdrivers and everything on your, I can't get that last one out right now. But to have the screwdrivers, the flathead, the Phillips, you know, a little file in there. I'm not sure, this is probably the plate that I can't get out. But, and still, it all fits right on your keychain, man. I mean, that's pretty amazing in my opinion. I like the way that it folds up. There you go. Very small, compact. It's maybe a little heavier than it should be, but I kind of like it. Kind of like it being small like that. And for the flashlight here, I went with a Coast. It is 100 lumens with 2 settings, I believe. I can't get it out. Oh, whoops. Being impatient on the camera. That'll do that to you. Let's see here. I get it. There we go. Alright, well, it should just work then, yeah. Alright. It's got a clip on there. It's not deep carry, but it will sit in the pocket pretty nice. It's got a high and a low. Let's see here. 43 lumens on low for 35 minutes. 100 lumens on high. Or, well, I'm sorry, for 35 meters. That's how far it'll throw it. The low is 4 hours and 15 minutes. And the 100 lumens is 1 hour and 45 minutes. And I've had this flashlight for quite a while now. It was probably one of my first EDCs. And it's reliable. If you make sure that your batteries are charged, you're good to go on this thing. It is a very nice flashlight for the price. I think it was $10. And the big mystery of the day is what was left for the knife. And to be honest, not much. But I did manage to get what I consider a decent Ozark Trail knife. It is brand new. This stainless steel frame with wood overlays. It is 7.75 inch liner lock, and the action varies. I mean, it is Ozark Trail, yeah, so you're not gonna get great play out of this blade. It's pretty centered. Can't open it at all, but you know, you get what you pay for, and this was $9.50. So it is what it is, I guess. And let's see here. Well, at least it is sharp. I'll give it that. All right, we will give it that. It is sharp. So the very last thing was this Casio Duro that I found on clearance for $11. And for $11, you're not gonna find a better watch. I guarantee that. These are very reliable watches. It can be submerged up to 200 meters, I believe. Yeah. And it's got a date window. I think a 3-year battery lifespan. And that is our EDC from Walmart for a total of $47.71. You got a very decent watch here, this Casio Duro. Very nice, very nice. I like those watches. they're you can wear them through anything. The knife was this Ozark Trail 7.75-inch folder, wood overlays. Now, Ozark Trail aren't the greatest. This would be for somebody who is just starting out. That's what this whole kit is, basically. It's a starter kit. For your flashlight, this Coast PX22. This little Ozark Trail keychain multi-tool. The Night Eyes quick release key organizer. A Zebra 301 black ink. Always better than blue. And then finally, this George genuine leather card holder. Again, six slots for cards and cash. And I would like to announce that I will be giving this away as soon as we reach 350 subscribers. And all you have to do to be entered into this contest for this carry, the whole setup right here, is leave a comment and subscribe. And we will give this away at 350 subscribers. I also have other giveaways planned for 500, 750, and then possibly 1,000. So, hope to see you again. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Wendell. Thank you for stopping by.